Welcome back, everybody. In this episode of Cooking with Kirby, we're going to be making chicken adobo in the Instant Pot. I'm a big fan of Asian cuisine, and I came across this recipe several years ago and I fell in love with it. I love any food with a nice, beautiful sauce, and this right here has a wonderful sauce to it. So no further ado, let's get into the recipe. Since you're here, hit the like and subscribe button and make sure that the notification bell is rang. Check me out on social media, that way you can get notification of all my new recipes. For this recipe, we're going to be using 5 chicken thighs and 5 chicken legs, and we're going to go ahead and season them with salt and pepper. We're going to start off on the back side, give it a good coating, and then we're going to go ahead and season the other side. Now to our Instant Pot, we're going to set it to saute mode, and we're going to increase the power to more. In the Instant Pot, we're going to go ahead and lay a couple teaspoons of cooking oil. And then once it gets hot, we're going to go ahead and add in our chicken. As you can see right here, hot, that means it's ready and it's up to temperature. So we're going to go ahead and brown our chicken for about a couple minutes per side. Now we're not going to be cooking these all the way through. We just want to get a nice golden brown. I cook those chickens for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. So after a couple minutes, go ahead and give it a flip and then do the same thing on the other side. And once you achieve the color that you're looking for, then go ahead and take them out, and then you're going to finish the rest of your chicken. Once we have our chicken browned up, we're going to be adding a 1/4 cup of white wine. Now all that stuff that's on the bottom, that is flavor right there. So you want to go ahead and add that wine in there and go ahead and scrape off the side and bottom of the Instant Pot. Now we're going to be making the sauce. So we're going to be adding a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of ground ginger, and 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Now I did forget something in this. Now after I cooked this, I ended up seeing 2 bay leaves that were on the side in a cup. And this recipe actually does call for 2 bay leaves, so go ahead and add 2 bay leaves in there, which I forgot. I'm human, I make mistakes as well. But yeah, go ahead and add your 2 bay leaves in there. And then we're just basically gonna mix all the ingredients, and then we're gonna go ahead and add a 1/2 of a large onion sliced. Now we're going to be placing all of our chicken right back into the Instant Pot. Now do not worry about getting it submerged in the sauce, because what we're going to be doing is we're going to glaze that sauce up at the end. All we're doing really now is just to finish the cook time on our chicken. Now we're just going to go ahead and close it up, and you want to make sure that you set your seal to sealed. And for our pressure cooking, we're going to go ahead and set that for 8 minutes on normal. Once the cook time is done, we're going to take our spatula that comes with the Instant Pot, and we're going to go ahead and do a quick release on the pressure. Now be really careful, this is hot, so once all the pressure is out and you think it's safe, go ahead and open up the Instant Pot. Now you want to go ahead and remove your chicken, and we're going to let that sauce thicken up for us. So what we're going to do is we're going to set that to saute, and we're going to let that reduce down for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and, thicken it up that way. But you know what? Doing it like this, it came out really good. It came out so delicious. It was perfect over some rice. That chicken was just a fantastic meal. I will leave the full printable recipe on my website, cookingwithkirby.com. That way you can make this at home, and trust me, it is so good. So what do you think about that recipe right there? Hands down, is really, really good, and you should give it a try. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, that way you can see future videos just like this. I have these recipes, they're really good, and you should try them out. Now y'all be beautiful, and take care.